Hi guys, this is Anu, founder of Bayesian Labs. Today I wanted to discuss about one more template I have created. This is one of the templates which has gotten all 5-star reviews. Right? Um, and reviews have started just 2 weeks back, and all of the reviews I've got are have been told I needed to. They are very reviews have been about how useful it is, but I need to explain it more. So I just had to make the video to explain how this works and all. This is for project management system where it's solopreneur or a small team, 3 4 people, 4 5 people, startups and all that. So there's one system. It's because it's in motion. It's just I think for graphs and all you need $10 for I think some of the features, but I think most even without the paid version you can get a lot of those. So I just wanted to talk about those this project management system. Let me start off um, how to start off with it. Put in here the steps to start the system. So first you just add whoever members you have, right? What's the name as a founder? What's the profile picture? Projects and all you can add later. I'm adding it later. Whoever is the main person for like the project, who is the main person for the project. Sometimes the founder is a small person team if you are solo, yeah, or sometimes somebody else, the tech CTO or somebody you have assigned, who is the main person, the project. Then add a new project. For add a new project, you add the name, the GitHub link of the project, the images for the project, right? What is the site link and all that, so that everybody who has access to this can check it out. Um, Add yourself here, add whoever the you have assigned, whatever member is that have assigned. What's the work type? Is it a practice project? It's a freelance project, an internship project, full-time project. It's a self-employed. You are creating your project maybe for open source or microservice, whatever. What's the priority? Is the most priority one, or at least one being the highest. Epics and features you can add later, right? And what is the type? What kind of, it's a microservice and it's a data science you are doing maybe for a client or something, complete full stack project. Microservice would include everything, the payment gateway, UI UX, all those things. Is this project have, do we need to do end-to-end things, or only full stack, or only data engineering, only AI? So those kind of details, or a combination also. Yeah, these are the things you need to put in there. Those are the important ones. Then you can add a new feature. So you can add features here, but I mostly prefer adding a new bug here, new task, sprint. Adding a sprint I add from here, and adding a new bug I do it from here. But tasks and features I prefer to add it directly from the table below. It's way more easier like that. Yeah. So here if you see, this tells me whatever the current sprint is running, how many these are the tasks. Sprints are associated with tasks. You put tasks. So projects has many features, right? The features can be UX UI UX related, or no, features are something, it can have a combination of UI UX, AI, DevOps, everything. Features are something you want, like epics. Feature epics can be interchanged. So features are some feature you need in that app. Maybe you want to have a chatbot in the app. The tasks and features can also have sub features. Maybe there is a version 1 of that feature you are thinking, currently version 2. Each of the features will be connected to a task. There will be many tasks. like for this feature version 1 to be completed, you have at least 10 tasks, or the sub feature or a feature. It's a lot of tasks, right? So, and those tasks and there is a sprint. You start with so this whatever members you have created are there, how many tasks have been, how many tasks are in current sprint which he is doing, how many bugs has been assigned to him, right? Those things are here. Apart from that, yeah, here you can say for whatever sprints you have created, you can start the sprint here, right? And you can like I was saying, sprint is started here, and in sprints, yeah, sprints are connected to tasks, not features. Some of the tasks you put in the sprint, and also add people to those tasks, right? Assign those people those tasks. Apart from that, there is an add new bug. Bug is related to feature, right? How many story points it has, how much, what's the priority, who it is assigned to, and it's feature. Feature has a bug, not the task. Task can't have bug. Task complete the task, but the feature, maybe because you did something wrong in the task, the feature, but that task is complete. This is low level. This is not the advanced fixed big company levels where there are way more complications, but in a slow notion type of template, this is the best one. I think this is what adding a new bug, and in those you can add a bugs, and you can see those bugs here, whatever. You can change their status. Have they completed point 0.5 any story points, and those are also assigned here, what person needs to complete in this. And whatever I have said here, all those details are given here. You can start or complete a sprint here, right? As soon as you start the sprint, it becomes current, and you see the current sprint board. All the tasks you have, all the sprint tasks assigned to the springboard are coming here, and you can change them. This it's a Kanban board. After that, so these are all the tasks, not sprint 1, sprint 2, every task here for at least the last 5. So as soon as you complete a sprint and create new one, the new one would come here, and if anything is not completed, and these are the tasks still to be completed, you can assign it to our new sprint. This is how you can add tasks to the sprint. You can go to individual tasks and assign it to the person you want it to assign to, and even change the story points. The other way to go about is, it's these are the current sprint tasks, right? Yeah, so these are not the sprint tasks, these are more like these are the features, all the features which we have still to complete in progress, and all the features of every project there is. You can change it to multiple projects with multiple things and all those kind of things. You can add sub features to it. um, oh sorry, oh yeah, actually, right, these are current print as, yeah, it's like a testing which is happening. uh, okay, so these are all the, there is some issue, I would need to, I'll bug it later and change it in the video itself, but all the tasks which have need to be completed in the current sprint, details, story points and all that, have they been commented properly, logging have test cases documented properly, all those kind of details for the task. Because even, after that only you can say, because even development working locally and development deployed is separate from all these kind of things. You'll know if all the 4 things have been completed or not, which story point for the current sprint. Afterwards, these are features by project. For each of the project, which features is features, and by types. You can change the types. Currently, I've only put common features in all throughout my projects. There are some common features like authentication system, landing page, um, what else? Testing, monitoring, logging system, all those CI/CD, all those kind of thing. All those features are common ones. There are UI/UX design features. There are unique features and all. I can put it in different ways. Payment features and all the types can be changed afterward. You can add those different types instead. And in features, you can add new features and keep on adding tasks, right? You can add a new project or add sub features for it and add projects to it. Whatever project it is a part of, those you add there. You can change whatever project, and you can have by project different projects here so that people can see and add a task here and assign that task to a person from here. Uh, in the sprint, it's from the sprint. This is majorly you can change. These are currently two projects. Yeah, I think that's it. This one is currently the most famous one because from what I've seen, not free project management system. This is the best currently available in Notion templates. I don't use it as much, even if it is mine, because I have found to use Tascade and putting it in because when my company is a solopreneur company and I work alone, so I find it easier to every day I keep on changing, and it makes it difficult to work in the sprint sense and all. If that works for you, try this. If the heck, heck, the time taken to make this work is causing you to work less, is making you stressful, then just put a taskade where you have menu, sub menus, and menu sub menu, and use it like that. Currently, I am using things like that. I can show you that too. I can just give you how it looks, not because of like I'm not sharing. I'm just showing. I don't want to give it to like what are the features, release checklist, like open source, what are features, the marketing. Just put it there. Features also. I keep on going down and down it down, something like this, and just a checklist. This is what I prefer for at the very start. This is all the bugs, the references which I need to check out, if anything, all the variables I'm gonna use. All the tech depths are mostly like improvements which I'm thinking about. Just put in if I see something new, landing page. Oh, I love that landing page. I want something similar. I just put a reference here and put what I want to add in the tech depth. This is currently what I'm using, not the this one, but this is the most five rated one, so I needed to give a demo of how it works. Be more structured. For one person, I preferred that. Okay, thank you.